Tired of noise and messes of mowing? Dreaming of a decent holiday? Tron arrives. The first AI vision mowing robot with an auto-mulching feature. Equipped with an evolutionary TOF and 6-camera 360-degree air vision system, Tron provides deep AI learning and visually positioning capabilities. Just walk Tron around your yard. No need for RTK or perimeter wires. Its air vision system creates a wire-free virtual boundary and crafts your yard map in the app. Manage and initiate mowing from anywhere. Drag to set no-go zones or select pathways for multiple areas. Effortless control at your fingertips. Customize mowing paths or direction to your preference. And trust Tron with the task and savor your holiday. Featuring the FlowCut hydrodynamic mowing system and a powerful cutting mower, Tron guarantees super sharp cutting of every blade of grass and mulches the finely shredded grass and leaf in one go. Clippings disperse into the soil, enriching it naturally. With a broad range of blade adjustments, Tron caters to lawns of any height, delivering the perfect cut every time. Thanks to the air vision system and AI deep learning, Tron measures distances and navigates around obstacles with accuracy, keeping your family safe. Even in areas with weak signals, under a trampoline or trees, Tron performs flawlessly. Does bright light mess with it? The robust 360-degree camera vision remains stable. Packed with advanced horsepower and larger omnidirectional wheels, Tron provides smooth turns that won't damage your lawn. Its redesigned chassis handles slopes up to 65% with ease. Whether it's low-lying or hilly terrain, Tron conquers it all with its large front wheels. From edge to edge, Tron delivers comprehensive care for your lawn. A plug-and-play battery with 3 hours of capacity ensures greater sustainability. When you're not at home, Tron acts like a watchful guardian over your property. And with its anti-theft features, you can track the device's location effortlessly. Enjoy satisfaction at every step. Breathe life back into your lawn. Take back control of your time. Experience the new era of automatic mowing. AIRSEEKERS TRON, redefining smart yard care.
Nice.